Kia Sorento. Alright. If you have this problem, like the fuel door doesn't wanna close, and maybe because of this thing, I wanna show you how to replace that. Alright. Which is this guy right here. Okay. I'm going to show you how to replace this Kia Sorento. This is a Kia Sorento 2016. So come with me. Let's do it. Okay, you're gonna have 4 bolts. 2 here and 2 up there. Then we're gonna remove this thing so we can remove this rubber. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna pry this shit. Okay. All the way around. There you go. Alright, come out just like that. Now do you see that thing that was there? Just push it back and then pull this thing. Now you're gonna see it right there. You're gonna see the guy right here. Okay. Just like that. You gotta push it. You gotta push it in. This thing. You gotta push it in like that, and then pull it out. And then you see this guy right here. Okay. Those are, I want to say 10 or 12. I'm gonna have to remove the panel inside, so I have a better view. Okay. That's the guy right there. Okay. Now we're gonna have to remove all this shit. Okay. So we can pop this. Okay. But we're gonna remove it. Okay. You'll see this thing. Just lose this, so you can pull out the jack. There you go. Just put it on the side. Now you can pull this out. You're gonna pull from here. The other side to the same. So on each side, you have those. Okay, with this cover, remove those. This one too, the same thing on this side. Now once you remove those on each side, pry this shit like that. Like that. Okay, just like that. Then here, pry this shit like this. Like that, okay. Now, like that. Now you gotta hit that one. Okay. You're gonna see another one here. Okay. That's another star Phillips. Remove that too. Now with those 3 removed, with that one, and this one, you can remove this whole thing. Just like that. Okay. Fucking mess, bro. Put it on the side. Now there's another star here. So now you can put this to the side like that. Even though there's a mini door here, it says, what is it right there? Fuel filler door, manual release handle. We're gonna replace that too. It comes with the whole thing. Okay, so let's just lift it there, and the speaker is gonna be on the way, so I'm gonna lose this. One bolt here, and a few around there, around the speaker, the spots. I'm gonna remove that. Alright, 10mm by the way. Okay, so now you're just gonna open this and pull the speaker out. Okay, that's the speaker. It has one here, one here, one here, and one there at the bottom. Okay, now this guy right here, we're gonna replace that. Okay, you can pop this. So let me get you some light. Just be careful with this. Okay, and then they come here. There it is. That's our guy. Let me unplug the switch. I mean, okay, you gotta squeeze it. Just squeeze it. That's it. Okay, it's gonna come out. Now you come to the other side. Right here, and lose it. Those are 10 millimeters. Okay, once you lose that, it's ready to come out. Okay, it has like a clips here, so just push it down here. Just push it down. It's gonna push it down here like this. There you go. Oops, don't drop. Now come around here. Oh, sorry. Pull it just like that. Okay. And this thing you gotta like just pop it. Okay. I mean just push it out. All that bullshit just for this motherfucker. Let me get the thumbnail. Alright. If you break this guy when you pop it, the old one, don't worry because the new one comes with it. Okay. Comes with the Velcro. Okay. I don't think it comes with the bolts that hold it there, so just so you know, okay. Alright, so just install the new one and everything goes in reverse. Alright. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you know, just highlight your boy, put it in the comment box. I'm gonna put everything together. This fucking car is a mess, but hey, someone gotta do it, right? Got me pissed off, but fuck it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to destroy that subscribe button. Click on the bell that's for anytime I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. And like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Alright, see you in the next one. Catch me in the next one. I like your boy. Astu Burum. Ow! Feel this Velcro. I'm working with one hand here. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Okay, so this guy goes right here like that. Okay. And then the clip goes right here. Just like that. And I'm gonna connect the sensor or the connector, whatever. That's pretty much it. Kind of pain in the ass though, but still a way like that. Can't even see it. I gotta use the camera. Okay, like that. Now, something like that. Bitch. It's a bitch. Oh, like this. There you go. You hear the click. Okay. That's pretty much it. Cool. This thing, I don't know about that, but I gotta put everything together now. Fucking pain in the ass. Thank you, Kia, for it. And now, that was it. I'm gonna leave it right here. And all I said about subscribe to my channel, do that for real. Hit the bell, like this video, share this video, and the feedback, put in the comment box. Anything you need to say, put in the comment box. Let me know what you think about this car, if you like it or not. I fucking hate it, but nah, I'm just kidding. It's just another car, but I'm saying, just whatever you need to say about this car, just put it in the comment box, alright? Holla at your boy, catch me in the next one. Boom, dun, 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 dun. See ya.